Hello and welcome, and we'll be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 16. An object of volume 1 meter cube and mass 2 kilogram is totally immersed in a liquid of density 1 kilogram per meter cube. Calculate its apparent weight. A. 20 Newton, B. 10 Newton, C. 2 Newton, D. 1 Newton. Acceleration due to gravity is given to us as 10 meters per second square. So we have a situation here where we have the volume and the mass of an object in air given to us, and then we are told that it is immersed totally in a liquid of density 1 kilogram per meter cube. So by the time you immerse that object in this particular liquid of this density given to us, the apparent weight in the liquid will be different from the actual weight, okay, in air. So we are asked to calculate that apparent weight after it has been immersed in the liquid. Now, we are given the mass, so we would calculate the weight. Of course, mass and weight are not the same thing, as weight is given by mass multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity. So mass is 2, acceleration due to gravity is 10. So this is equal to 20 Newton. So that is the weight. Now, the formula for density, which is symbolized by rho, is given as mass over volume. Therefore, mass, of course, is equal to density multiplied by volume. Now, for this, we are given the density of the liquid. So, in order to find the mass, okay, of the object in liquid, we multiply the density of that liquid by the volume of the object. So that is given as 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1 kilogram. So this is the mass in liquid. Remember, from the question, we're given the mass in air, so we found the mass in liquid. Now, just as we found the weight in air, we can also find the weight in liquid, so that is given, of course, by the mass in liquid multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, which is 1 multiplied by 10, and that is 10 Newton. Therefore, since we have the weight in air and the weight in liquid, we can now calculate the apparent weight of the object, which is equal to the weight in air minus the weight in the liquid. So that is equal to 20 minus 10, and that is equal to 10 Newton. So 10 Newton is the apparent weight. 10 Newton is option B. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.